It is impossible to overestimate the proficiency of DGPS surveyors in Uttam Nagar when it comes to carrying out precise and effective land surveys. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, is a method that uses signals from numerous satellites to generate incredibly accurate positioning data. An experienced DGPS surveyor is needed in Uttam Nagar, a busy area of Delhi, to conduct surveys for a variety of objectives, including property development, infrastructure planning, and boundary demarcation. In Uttam Nagar, DGPS surveyors play a critical role in assuring the precision and dependability of survey data. These experts have cutting-edge surveying tools and software at their disposal, enabling them to take accurate measurements and produce thorough maps. Surveyors can remove mistakes brought on by signal interference and atmospheric circumstances by adopting DGPS technology, producing extremely accurate location data. For tasks that call for exact dimensions, like building or purchasing land, this level of precision is crucial. SCON Design, a well-known surveying firm with offices in Delhi, focuses on offering DGPS surveying services in Uttam Nagar and the neighborhood. Clients receive accurate and trustworthy survey data thanks to their team of knowledgeable DGPS surveyors who are fluent in the most recent surveying methods and technology. It's crucial to pick a company, like SCON Design, that has a track record of providing top-notch surveying services when hiring DGPS surveyors in Uttam Nagar. Their surveyors' knowledge and skill ensure that clients get precise measurements and maps that satisfy their unique needs. SCON Design can offer customized solutions that address the particular requirements of each project, whether it be for land subdivision, topographic mapping, or infrastructure planning. The skill of DGPS surveyors in Uttam Nagar in conducting precise and effective land surveys cannot be emphasized. By considering the signals from numerous satellites, the Differential Global Positional System, or DGPS, is a method that gives extremely exact positional data. In order to conduct surveys for a variety of purposes, including property development, infrastructure planning, and boundary demarcation, Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi, needs the assistance of expert DGPS surveyors. In order to guarantee the correctness and dependability of survey data, DGPS surveyors in Uttam Nagar play a significant role. These experts are outfitted with cutting-edge surveying tools and software, which enable them to gather exact data and produce precise maps. Surveyors can get highly accurate positioning data by employing DGPS technology since it eliminates mistakes brought on by signal interference and atmospheric circumstances. For tasks requiring exact measurements, such as building or land acquisition, this degree of precision is crucial. SCON Design, a reputed Delhi-based surveying firm, specialized in offering DGPS surveying services in Uttam Nagar and the neighborhood.